All right, brothers and sisters, boys and girls. This is now actually attached. You can see I've got pegs. They're sunk in at a converging angle. I've got 2 on this and 4 on the long ones. I've already sewn them flush. They're pegged down into the tabletop frame, so those cleats aren't going anywhere ever. And I just decided to put this thing in, and it dropped in without too much difficulty. And it is, I mean, this is insane. That's just rock solid. It's not moving at all. I think the words I'm looking for are hell yeah.